I'm gonna add some ice to my blender, freshly diced pineapple. If you can't find pink dragon fruit fresh in the grocery store, definitely check out the frozen section. We have some lime juice, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. And to switch it up, we're doing agave instead of maple syrup. Last up is our coconut water. It's so bright and juicy. I love this. And dragon fruit to me doesn't really have a distinct flavor, so I'm really tasting that lime and that pineapple. But you can't beat a color like this, ever.